Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. South Indian kitchens are never complete without a variety of flavoured rice dishes, and among them Vangi Bath holds a special place. Made with tender brinjals, aromatic spices and Vangi Bath masala, this traditional Carnatic style brinjal rice is bursting with flavour. Perfect for lunch boxes, family meals or festive spreads. Vangi Bath is a wholesome dish that combines simplicity with rich taste. I add MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic, which makes the rice super and everyone in the family loves it. I'm using about 250 grams of fresh and tender brinjals for this recipe. So first we're going to remove the crown, cut the brinjals into small pieces. So once you've cut them, just gently drop them into water to avoid discoloration. In a white kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once it is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. As the mustard seeds start to splutter, add 1 teaspoon of Channa dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad dal, 2 tablespoons of peanuts and roast them well. Once the lentils turn golden brown, add the 2 red chillies, quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida powder and a few fresh curry leaves. Give it a quick mix and the aroma itself is divine. Time to add the chopped brinjals. Let it cook in that rich oil and ghee blend. No water is needed here. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and saute again. Once the brinjals have cooked and turned soft, add 2 tablespoons of Vangi Bath powder and mix it all well. Now add the cooked fluffy basmati rice. I've taken 1 250 ml cup of basmati rice grains and I've cooked them. Just make sure that the basmati rice is not overcooked. Mix the rice along with the brinjals and the masala. Now take 1 sachet of MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic from the strip. Cut the sachet and sprinkle the MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic in the Vangi Bath. It's made with 10 carefully selected spices like cloves, cardamom and nutmeg, roasted and blended with care to bring that super MAGGI magic, a burst of color, aroma and flavor in every bite. I add MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic to my everyday veggies like bindi, aloo and gobi. Cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes, just enough for all the flavors to infuse beautifully. Finally, add a teaspoon of ghee and some chopped fresh coriander leaves and turn off the flame. There you go, here is your hot aromatic Vangi Bath that's ready to be served. It's rich, flavorful and simply magical. Well, it's time to taste this delicious Vangi Bath. Wow, it's just superb. The flavors are just amazing. MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic makes every bite super. Just 1 sprinkle gives endless flavor. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.